Hello students, welcome to the ROSE project. And this ROSE project conducted by Red Shikshan Samstha, Sadguru Maharaj College, Karad. Myself, Hasbe SS, my subject physics, topics number 16, topic name semiconductors device. In this topic, we discuss the introduction of the semiconductor device, PN junction diode as a rectifier, and this PN junction diode as a rectifier given to sub point number 1 half wave rectifier, number 2 full wave rectifier, number 3 ripple factor, and number 4 filter circuit. Firstly, we discuss the component of semiconductor givenly. First, microprocessor, LED, transistor, capacitors. These are the semiconductor. Now introduction. In 11th standard, we discuss the semiconductor device for the forward bias and the reverse bias. Just remind these points. Firstly, when diode is a forward bias, it behaves as a closed switch and current flowing in the diode circuit. As shown in this figure, is given to forward bias. Simultaneously, we discuss the reverse bias. When diode is a reverse bias, it behaves as an open switch and negligible small current flowing in this diode circuit. I show you in the figure is a reverse bias. In this point, we discuss the previous standard. Now, in this topic in this standard, we discuss the semiconductor. That means AC means voltage is rectified by using the junction diode to obtain the DC voltage. The use of diode as a rectifier and also different types of rectifiers. Filter which remove the AC component from the rectifier voltage and voltage regulator which provide the required DC voltage. Working a simple rectifier circuit, I show in a figure here. Look at these figures. A, B, C, D. These are the loops of the current, and AC main supplying, and using the transformer, diode rectifier, filter, and after that voltage regulator, and given to here DC voltage. Obtain a DC voltage means this AC here, AC main voltage is rectified, and using the junction diode obtain the here loading DC voltage. Okay. Now rectifier, the most popular application of the diodes. Rectifier has a need to change the alternative currents means into the direct currents. I am showing this figure, the rectifier to AC convert to the DC voltage. First point, PN junction diode as a rectifier. A rectifier convert this bidirectional voltage or current into unidirectional voltage or a current. The conversions of AC voltage into DC voltage is called as a mainly rectifications. An electronic circuit which rectify AC voltage is called as a rectifier. There are two types of rectifier circuit, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Rectification, it is a conservation of alternating current to the DC direct current. First point, sub point, half wave rectifier. What is a half wave rectifier wave? The half wave rectifier is defined as the types of rectifier that only allow one half cycle of an AC voltage waveform to pass, blocking the other half cycle. Half wave rectifier are used to convert AC voltage to the DC voltage and only require a single diode to construct. A rectifier is device that convert alternating current to the direct current. It is done by using the diode or group of the diode. Half wave rectifier use one diode while a full wave rectifier use a multiple diode. Clear here कि half wave rectifier using the single diodes. The working of half wave rectifier taking advantage of the fact that the diode only allow the current to flow in a one direction. The very important part of half wave rectifier waves flowing one wave current. A simple half wave rectifier circuit using only one diode is shown in a figure below. This is a figure and this single diode are here used, and this AC supply AC current convert to here DC current. The main purpose of the rectifier, of a rectifier. The secondary coil A and B, secondary coil A and B of transformer, this is a transformer, is connected in a series, with a diode D and the load RL. The use of the transformer has a two advantage. First one, it allows us to step up or step down the AC input voltage as per the required of the circuit. Second uses of that, it is isolated the rectifier circuit from the main supply to require the risks of the electrical shock. The AC voltage across the secondary coil AB changes its polarities after every half cycle. After every half cycle. When the positive half cycle beginning, the voltage at the point A at higher potential with respect to at the point B, therefore diode D is a forward bias. It conducts and current flow through the circuit. When the negative half cycle beginning, the potential at a point A is the lowest with respect to B and the diode is a reverse bias. Therefore, it does not conduct no current passing through the circuit. Hence, the diode conduct only in the positive half cycle of the AC input. It blocks the current during the negative half cycle. The wave for input and output voltage shown in figure 16.3. In this way, current always flow through the load RL in the same direction from the positively half cycle. Hence, DC output voltage obtained across RL is in the form of alternating pulse. Now, second point, next point for rectifier is given second subpoint, full wave rectifier. Here, multiple diodes are used here. Firstly, what is meant by the full wave rectifier? A full wave rectifier is defined as the types of rectifiers that convert both heaviest of the each cycle of alternating waves AC signal into the DC signal. Full wave rectifier are used to convert AC voltage to DC voltage. Is the main purpose, but requiring the multiple diodes to construct. And last, half wave rectifier, you just single diode to use to construct here. The full wave rectification is a process of converting an AC signal to the DC signal. In a full wave rectifier, the current flowing through the load in the same direction during the both half cycle of the input AC voltage. This is because the full wave rectifier circuit consists of two diodes conducting alternating, as shown in a figure here. This is a two diodes D1 and D2. Here transformer is connected to the serial, and here output is given to the RL. This AC signal or convert to the DC signal. The circuit consists of the center taps transformer and the diode D1 and D2. The diode D1 and D2 are connected such as the D1 conduct in a positive half cycle, D2 conduct a negative half cycle of the input voltage. During the positive half cycle of the input voltage, the A is a higher potential than that of the point B. The diode D1 is a conductor. The current through the load resistance RL follows the potential A, P, Q, R, C as shown in a figure. During the negative half cycle of the input voltage, B is at high potential than A. The diode D is a conductor. The current through the load RL follows the path B, P, Q, R, C. Thus, the current flowing through the load resistance in the same direction during the both cycles. As showing here, wave nature, waveform of input-output signal from the full wave rectifier. The input-output waveform of full rectifier are shown in figure. Firstly, waveform is input AC. The second waveform shows the output when the diode D1 conducted, and the third waves from the output when diode D2 conducted. And fourth waves shows the total output wave of full rectifier. Advantage of the full rectifier. Number 1, rectifications take place in both the cycle of the AC input. Second, ripple in the full wave rectifier is less than that of the half wave rectifier. Now next point is ripples factors. Ripple factors, that means the output of Richter factor consists of a small friction of an AC component along with a DC called as a ripple. The ripple is undescribable and is responsible for the frictions in the rectifications output. Figure showing here the ripple in the output of rectifier. The effectiveness of the rectifier depends upon the magnitude of ripple component in its output. A smaller ripple means that of rectifier is more effective. Smaller ripples means more effective. Mainly here, output rectifier consists of small friction of AC component belong with the DC component is the main meaning of that the ripple. That means smaller ripples means that of rectifier is more effective. The ripple factor. The ratio of root mean square RMS value of the AC component to the value of DC component in the rectifier output is showing in a figure is known as the ripple factor. Ripple factor is equal to RMS value of the AC component by the value of DC component. Now next point is sub point of rectifier is given. Our last point is here filter circuit. The output of rectifier is in the form of pulse as shown in fourth waveform in figure. Fourth waveform is figure here. This one is showing the full rectifier given to. The output is under unidirectional, but the output does not have the steady value. It kept the flicking due to the ripple component present in it. The filter circuit is used to remove the ripple from the output of rectifier. The filter circuit is a circuit which remove the AC component or the ripple from the rectifier output and allow the DC component. Meaning wise, filtering that the AC component and clear allow to the DC components. A capacitor filter. As shown in figure B, the pulsating DC voltage of a rectifier output is applied across the capacitor. Applied across rectifier across the capacitor here. The voltage across the capacitor rise. The capacitor gets charged at point A and supply the current to the load resistance. At the end of quadrature cycle, the capacitor gets charged to the peak value. Voltage shows as Vp in the figure C of the rectifier output voltage. The rectifier voltage beginning to the decrease so that the capacitor start discharge through the load resistance and the voltage across is beginning drop. Voltage across the load decrease only slightly up to a point B because the next voltage peak recharge and the capacitor immediately. This process is repeated here. This process again repeat here. D, E, F. This process is repeated again and again. The output voltage waveform take the form of shown in figure here. This output is unregulated DC waveform. Voltage regulator circuits are used to obtain the regulated DC supply. The capacitor filter circuit is widely used because of its low cost, small size, lightweight. This types of filter is preferred for small load current. It is commonly used to the battery eliminated. And thank you so much.